right now. So we're gonna go ahead, get to where we gotta go, and it's gonna be lit. It's my boy G in traffic. We stunning on him right now. So we looking good. We're gonna see you guys in a minute. What's up? We're here. Welcome to MMA Motorsports. We have a variety of selection of cars, as you can see. It's Miata heaven everywhere. There's another one right there. Another one over here. So as you can see, Miatas, Miatas, Miata, Miata, another Miata. There's another Miata over there. There's another Miata right there. But we're here. I need to get some shit taken care of. Like I said, it's just annoying. Like, you know, a little, it's retarded. So, but other than that,
drive shaft.
Miata with a new drive shaft. You heard him. Right there. It's over there. Oh, oh.
Yeah. Special name.
Fire. So we're back. Fortunately, my PPF is asphalted because the front is just non-cooperative. So that's done. Gonna have to get a whole new beam put in here so that way we can drive safely, because last thing we need is some shit to go down, drive shaft, all that. And it's just a collaboration of fade out. I'm cool off of it, so what we're gonna do is swap this out, get this back in working condition order, so we can be road safety. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and tap in with you guys when we get this all out.
Let them know they fucked up.
Well, this is what it is. As you can see, probably cross-threaded. Yep, you can see it right there. Yeah. We faded it out, it's cross-threaded. Fucked up, but it's all good. Yeah, we're coming back. It's on the ground now, so. Gotta get a new one, replace it with the new one, fade back in. So my rivets were broken, and we see what this is supposed to be. Original rivets.
To match the one that's on this cooler. Is that from that place over
broken.
There? Yeah. Oh, what would a one horse do?
Good.
I don't know if it is
broken. Alright, y'all. Check it out. New PPF is in. Got everything in there. Bolts, mounts, all that. So
what you gotta do is show them.
Should be good. Yeah, look at that.
Nothing moves.
Nothing moves. Before it was moving, due to the reason, once again, thanks to Lee, he went ahead and showed me that this is a little piece in there, gone right there. And I already showed you guys in the previous clip that the other one was what it needed to be, so that was good. Other than that, we are looking stellar under this car, so we're gonna go ahead and just finish getting everything together, and we should be good to go. That's that, yeah, we paid. Check it out. This is a nice little emerald mica thing.
It feels good as hell.
Yes, it do. I wanted to tell y'all we couldn't start the video in the car because it was just way too hot. It's too hot, and we made it here by the grace of God because it's hot. I can't even do it. So we made it here. We're back at the shop. We got the we paid emerald mica.
Should we grab 2 more Miatas? We want to know now. We already got 3 Miatas. Shit. Y'all gonna see in this video at this point, our boy just bought another Miata, but should we buy 2 more Miatas ourselves for our personal collection? Let us know. I like the way this look. It looked good. It's the emerald green. You see it. Ooh, you see the tan top. Ooh, you see the tan interior.
Yeah, this say yeah.
look good.
Hey, it looks so good. Comment down below. Should we do it? Should we not do it? Should we do it? I think we should do it. Yeah, you had the glass window soft top. Never had it.
I always had a soft top. I had the old school shit, but it came super clean, OEM, bought it from like a 7-year-old lady. This right here is like super clean, but like I just like how they got the little holder in the back right there. You know how it's got lavish features, power window.
Yeah. Yeah.
Top and interior.
It's got that thing.
AC.
AC, crazy.
And they got the fire and B wheels on here, bro. You can really ride this thing.
Yeah, you could.
Every day, all
It's
day.
so great. Our boy over here, he been working hard every time that we come and step in.
SVT motor.
You see
Woo,
it.
you see
Wow.
03 Expedition,
Okay.
getting an 03 Ford Lightning motor.
Ooh.
Yep. Pullied up down here. You can see the big pulley.
It's clean.
Yep. It's gonna make about 500 horsepower. Long tube headers, custom exhaust, big injectors,
Yeah, he's gonna rip. You see this?
custom throttle body,
That's all I'm saying.
custom
Got the-
cooler setup, custom
Oh
water
wow.
tank.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah, I know, man. It just blend in.
It do.
It's clean. Like you can honestly pull up on him at the light, and you wouldn't know he was. Like you wouldn't know, boss.
You
Like,
really wouldn't.
you think you could try him, but it's not gonna probably work. And you got the big hook.
Yep, big intake going on.
Oh, wait for it.
Huge. That's huge.
Oh yeah.
Massive.
Dude, you about to take over. This is. I'm so surprised. Damn.
It's gonna be crazy, bro.
This is what you've been over here cranking on. This. Oh my. Ooh, look at that. Look at that throttle body real quick. Let's just zoom in on that.
Oh.
Throttle body looking real nice.
Yep, should be running by the end of the week.
So when we come back on our next episode, we're gonna see this thing run. We're gonna hear it. You're gonna feel it, and you're definitely gonna see the power of the SVT. Just wait for it. My boy's been working hard over here, day after day on it. Every time we're here, he's working on it. So you know where we are. We're at the shop, and we're gonna get some more progress done. We're gonna tap in with you guys a little bit later once we go ahead and get everything situated. But thanks for staying tuned. This is Creative Garage. We have projects, ideas, builds, all types of stuff. So stay tuned. Tell a friend, subscribe, click the like button, comment, follow us on Instagram, click that bell, leave your notifications on so every time we upload, you get it. You been home thinking about it? Oh my God, it's so clean.
Painty friggin' paint the valve cover and shit.
Yeah, I need it, boss.
This dude wants
Good
his
luck.
wheels green, match the car, which I told him no problem.
We got green Miata here, green Miata
Show him how to go
here.
to the inside,
Yeah, I can pay this to Cali.
Yeah, this is that. Woo! Look at it, y'all. It's clean. Y'all ain't never seen this before. It is crazy. Yeah, guys. What happened, boss?
Feeling good.
You feeling good? Okay. Yeah.
For the collection.
Yeah.
Honestly, we need them so we can just fade into Cali, but we need to just fade in up.
Yeah. Nice drive.
Ride together.
This will have us lit. You see it.
We got AC, power steering.
it's plain stock, but
I like it like that. I got a turbo one at home. I know how
you can actually, there's a wheel you can put on that to kick up the timing, which I have on my blue one out there, which is for sale too.
Oh.
And you can change the wheel and make the timing kick up to, you know, see.
Whoa.
Yeah, boss.
That's going to hit in the gray one?
If they ain't got no seats, yeah, those are going in the gray one.
Oh, he's looking like you, boss.
These looking crazy.
These are for you, boss.
Yeah.
Woo!
You feeling it?
Yeah.
Real seats, boss.
Bro, I feel it.
I still have to put conditioner on them to soften them up a little bit more, but it's a
They back. Yeah, I like these.
This dude got a crazy Viper motor in real life. This is real life, like, huge.
So clean, guys. Check that out. Ooh.
Going in Christine. You know Christine? The movie Christine?
Yeah.
You know the movie Christine?
That red ass car.
We got one of them cars where it gets all mashed up and shit, then it re-fucking does itself.
So we come tomorrow or whenever.
We came through. My hood now closes. It pops, which is great. Fantastic. I'm excited. I got this new little air filter on top of my turbo because, you know, I didn't have one before, but we got one now. We're looking good. This Miata faded in. My boy back there fading in. If you haven't yet, go to our website. Make sure to subscribe. We can also save you money, and now we can help you make money. So we got two options for you there. If you want to go and figure out how to make money with us, definitely follow us on Instagram. You'll see the team post a lot of pics throughout the day. We have a lot of options for you. We do sports betting, so go ahead and just head over to our website. If that's something that you're interested in, we can definitely get that going for you. Other than that, we have the new filter right there. Shout out to Lee. We got my car pulled out a little bit. I'm able to like close the hood and pop it, so everything's good now. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up this episode. I hope you guys had a good one on this one. We're gonna get some more driving sounds and everything a little bit, probably a little bit later. Right now it's like extra hot. Shouldn't even be out here, but hey, you know, we gotta work and we all do it for you guys. So you guys can go ahead and make sure understand that we are working hard behind the scenes. We're gonna go ahead, catch you guys on the next video. Shout out to the only team that does it best.
Creative Garage.
And that's Creative Garage.